I found really amazing Vietnamese restaurant. Hello, I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipina living in Australia. I stumbled upon the restaurant when I was walking around the mall.
So I found this little Vietnamese place in the mall and I got a lunch set. Let's see how it tastes like.
This is me excited to try the food. Gutom na ako. And I finally see it coming. Ang sarap-sarap naman. Tingnan niyo naman. So it has an appetizer, a soup, an egg, a main course which is fish, grapes, and rice. Grabe, napakasulit. It looks good and it smells good. Let's eat now. Let's start with the appetizer. So this dish has cucumbers in it, carrots. There's also pork and prawns. The sauce tastes like this Vietnamese sauce that they usually put in the dishes. It's a little bit sweet and a bit tangy. The sauce is just perfect for these very fresh vegetables. Appetizer 10 over 10. Now let's check out the soup. It looks like a clear soup with carrots and scallions.